everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstone Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So today I want to show you guys how to make a hidden paper clip using a clothes tag. So this is just a hidden paper clip that you can, piece of ephemera that you can add to the top of your journaling pages in your journals. And I want to show you how I made this using some jeans, some scraps, different things you can find around the house, plus some extra little goodies that you have hanging around. So let's see. This is what it looks like. It's really cool. It turned out really fun. Okay, so this is my journal, my jean and flannel junk journal I've been working on with you guys. And if you want to see how I constructed it to this point, I will put a playlist on the end screen and you guys can click on it and come and join us. So that's what I'm making the ephemera and stuff for today, is to add to my junk journal. Okay, so it's gonna match. That's why I'm using all the denim and the sunflower. It's just so much fun. I'm having so much fun doing this. Okay, so what I got is, we'll put this here so you can see it. I got a piece of lace that's coffee dyed. And plus I did some Rit dye and fun things on that. If you guys want to see how I did these little bundles of different kind of fabrics and stuff that I coffee dyed, I'll put that on the end screen. You can come check it out. Super fun. Jeans, just an old pair of jeans. I have some just fun little balls that we can glue down. Of course, a clothing tag that goes usually on the top, like these are fleece pants or the top of the jeans or something like that, and it's usually the one that goes overlapped, that you could, you know, pop it undone and take it off, and it looks like this. So this is the kind of tag I'm using today, and that's what this was too. And it's just something that usually goes over a pair of jeans or, you know, sweatpants or something like that on the waistband usually. Okay, and then I just fussy cut out a sunflower from fabric, but you could use anything. You could do paper and fussy cut anything out that you want to, you know, incorporate on the front of it. Okay, and I have some fun fur, which is just a eyelash yarn. I don't think I'm going to use that. Maybe, you never know. Just some fun little scraps that we got around. Threads, scraps, different things like that, which are always fun to incorporate. I just have a bone folder just to help, you know, get that down if we need it. And of course a paper clip, and this is a 2-inch paper clip. Okay, and I think that's it. I'm pretty sure that's what we're doing today, incorporating here. So let's see. So first things first is we're going to want to cut our jean to the right size here. Okay. So I'm just going to lay it down like that. And then I'm going to do it inside out because I'm going to have to use something like a Sharpie or a marker or something that you could see it, because I don't think a pencil would work very well. I have a thick Sharpie, but I wonder if this one would show up better. This is just a fine point Sharpie. I mean, not show up better, but I think this would be too thick. So let's see. And I'm leaving a little bit of edge because I like the fray on it. So we could just eyeball this too and rip it. So I'm just going a little bit bigger, probably 1/8 of an inch, just to kind of see the outline here. I'm just going to snip it and rip it. could just take it and fray if you want to. And then I just keep all these little threads because they make great clusters. Okay. You can just take it and go like that. I'm just taking my nail and just kind of roughing it up just so we get some of the frayed edges like that. So I like that look. I think it looks really cool. Okay. Now, it's going to go like that. Now, this is the time where you're going to put your paper clip in. So you just fold it how you want it. Your paper clip. This one's a little bit longer. What I could do, I can make my fold wherever I want. So let's just go a little deeper here with it. And that's why I got my bone folder. So you can just kind of maneuver these however you want. And then let's see if that's good. I could turn it the other way too. There we go. And then just work it where you want the fold. Okay. And you just place your paper clip. And then I'm just checking it out here. So that's going to be glued like that, like that. Okay. So what we're going to have is a little bit of spots showing here. Now, you could add paper there if you wanted to, you know, some fun dyed paper or anything, or you could just take it and just ink it up. That. You know, or we can even add a little piece of lace to it. Well, let's continue doing this, and then we can see what we want to do there. Okay, so you just put your paper clip on it, and then we're just gonna glue it on here. And I'm just using Fabrifix glue. And just make sure to glue your paper clip so it doesn't move. Okay. Put it where we want it. Make sure you have it on each side how you want. Oops. All right. Okay. Now, if you wanted to have the stitches on it, like I have the stitches on here, is just go ahead and sew the jean by itself before you glue it down, and then that'll give you the stitching, just, you know, the visual, which looks really nice. Okay, so there we go. And then we just want to make sure that we didn't glue anything inside here, because that's the part that'll clip to the paper. So you just want to make sure you don't glue that shut. All right, that's looking pretty good. And then what I did is took some of this and I just popped it into the middle here and then just tied it up at the top. I just thought that looked really cute. So So this is pretty much decorative, however you want to do it now. However you want. And you can just use your scraps, you can use your pretty papers, you can use, you know, anything you got. Just hanging around. So there, I think that looks cute. Yeah, I think we're gonna take some lace and let's just go ahead and let's just glue a piece here. Yeah, that's just how we'll do the lace piece for this one. And each one's gonna be different. But that'll help cover the white spot. This is the fun part for me. I love layering up stuff and, you know, just seeing what you come up with and how it turns out. You know. Let's see. So we need to think about it. That's going to go on there. We can even take a little piece of this and go here with it. Put this down first, but I don't even mind how big that is. I think I'm going to keep it big like that. So I'm going to take that off for a second. Do some gluing. Yeah, that's going to be great. Okay, let's see. Let's grab some of this. Just a little bit here. Have some stuff poking out of the top here. I think that looks really cool. And then let's go ahead and pop this on here. There we go. And voila! Is that cool, you guys? I mean, how fun is that? So there we go. And then you could decorate the back if you wanted to and do it however you want. But I just wanted to show you guys. I wanted to pop on today real quick and just show you that you guys can make a fun little hidden paper clip to go into your journals. So, I mean, how fun is this? So you can even stick it up on here if you wanted to. You can do it on your fabric pages. Like that. Which I kind of like that. That's kind of fun. So you could do it like that, or you could stick it over on your pages. You could do it on the side. I mean, you could do it however you want. But yeah, you could decorate the back of it and do it any way you want. So I hope you guys found this informational. And if you could please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share. And let's grow together and keep on crafting.